Hi, my name is Brian with Ace Appliance in Toledo, Ohio, and welcome back to another quality video from ApplianceVideo.com.
Okay, so this is a Frigidaire refrigerator, and the complaint is that it's not cooling or not producing enough cold air. And what we can see here is the unit is running. It is producing somewhat or some cold air. It's definitely not as cold as it needs to be. So that's our issue. For this repair, we will need a 1/4-inch nut driver. Alright, so the first thing what we want to do is, we know everything's running, so I want to get to the evaporator, which is behind this panel in the freezer, to take a look at the frost pattern. The first thing we got to do to take this panel off is take the two 1/4-inch screws off, which are here and here. So we'll get those off. And then we're able to lower this down. Now there's some wires connected to our fan. Our fan mounts on the back panel, and some wires for the ice maker over here. There's a Molex connector that connects everything on this panel to the back wall. So I'm going to release that by squeezing the two tabs together. And then we're going to pull this back panel off. You always want to do this with the unit unplugged. So now that we have our back panel off, we can look at our frost pattern here. And we can see that our evaporator doesn't have any frost on it throughout the entire evaporator. Now over here with where the Freon first comes into the evaporator through the capillary tube here, we can see we're nice and frosted. We got a big ball of ice right here, and then shortly after that it just loses its frost throughout the entire system. We know our compressor is running, it's not short cycling. We know our condenser is not dirty, I already looked at those. So what this means is we have a leak in the system that we're low on Freon. This is a dead giveaway symptom with a ball of ice here and the evaporator not frosted, you know, it's just low on charge. So we would have to find the leak, repair the leak, and then pump it back up with Freon.
Thank you for watching another quality video from ApplianceVideo.com.